Now it's your turn to take
You want
green.
me to do exactly the same
It's
thing
your
that you
turn
have
to
done?
take green.
You did that. That's what you have.
Let's see if you're a genius
That's
like
what-
I was.
That's what you have done.
Let's see if you're a genius like I was.
That's what you have done.
Let's see if you're a genius like I was.
That's how you done.
Let's see if you're a genius
do
like
that.
I was.
That-
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We are trying to bring you guys back our fun weekend challenges. So we decided to kick it off this way. We are going to be doing the Jenga challenge, which we bought today, and we already give it a test run and it's pretty exciting. So we decided to share it with you guys. So let's see. This is what it looks like. It comes with a little dice. This is the dice, and each dot have a color. So I'm going to let Babe explain the rules of the game. I'm taking it shitty out the box already, because it's already in order, right?
So this is a tower with woody things. You have pieces of wood like this. So you make the tower with 3 pieces, and the next step is 3 pieces but to the opposite side. The rules is you have to take 1 pieces, and the player who take out 1 pieces and make the Jenga tower fall lose. So at the beginning it's kind of easy because the Jenga tower kind of strong, but after you have pieces missing everywhere and just 1 little piece can make it fall. So let's see who gonna make it fall.
So wait. So each time you throw the dice, it tells you where to take a piece of the wood from.
So this is a different kind of way to play. Some people don't play with the
Color.
but this is a funny
Way of playing it.
because it just makes it more exciting, and it helps also. Sometimes one player is better than the other players, and the other one never win. Or at least this time give a chance, because you can fall every time on the same color, and at the moment you just can't play.
So we'll be sipping hot chocolate and playing Jenga tonight with you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Comment down below before we start and tell me if you are Team Mel or you're Team Ludo.
If you want to win, Team Ludo. If you want to lose, Team Mel. You play.
Alright guys, so here we go. Okay, I'm supposed to remove a green.
Green pieces. So there's always a trick at this game. So there's some wood piece that always can go off easier than others.
So you just have to know the strategy to the game. Oh, you have to remove a green too. Alright. Yellow.
So the aim is you can't touch other colors, and normally you can't touch other pieces.
It's going to reach a point where it's impossible. So I have to move purple.
Orange.
Purple.
Yellow. I'm gonna make it hard for her or for me by taking out this one.
Babe, you really do that?
Mm-hmm. More fun.
Green.
Mm-hmm.
Oh!
Why you take her off?
Good question.
Purples. Don't want to lose for crazy. Don't want to play hero.
Purple.
Give me that. Orange, orange, orange.
Whoa. Yellow.
It's gonna fall.
No, it won't.
It's gonna fall.
Stop it.
Fall.
Don't do that. I didn't stop that. You're cheating. Baby, you're cheating. Baby, you're making me nervous. That's not fair. You're such a cheat.
No!
Now what's going on with the purple tonight?
Well, after we're gonna finish our purple, then blue and
Orange. You shake. Whoa.
careful.
Can you just stop?
Careful.
You're cheating. Stop doing it.
I didn't do anything.
Stop doing that.
The camera is pushing up.
No. Okay. Woo.
Blue.
Ooh.
You want to show the camera? You want to see how this one looks on top? And this one shaking?
You guys, can you see this? Oh my gosh. Give me a red.
Orange. Oh, we still have some chances.
Nothing's not moving.
No, you have to change it.
Oh, nothing is not moving.
You have to change. You can. Some can be moved.
It has to be the middle one.
Or one side one.
How is it gonna be the side one?
Side one can.
Impossible.
I'm just looking this one on top.
Which one?
This purple one.
It's gonna fall?
Mm-hmm.
Yes!
Good job.
I want it to be purple, orange.
Yellow. Not easy to change the color.
Baby, that's easy. Yes!
You cheat.
Also, orange.
Orange.
Oh!
My only chance is this one.
Yeah. Ah!
No more orange. If you got orange, you dead. Orange, you dead.
Orange. Blue.
Blue, you can't. Not easy to change it.
Why is it spinning?
Because this, you can change it. Go, 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 man, go, man. I think you did a good choice. I think that was the only one.
Purple? Baby, you have to move the middle one. Baby, you have to move the middle one. Come on. You're wicked if you don't move the middle one.
I'm not gonna move the middle one. Why
Why
you want me to
not?
go? I'm gonna make it.
Why wouldn't you not move the middle one?
Why you want me to move the middle one?
Because it's the safest one to move and leave the
don't
two
care.
on the end.
This one bending. Look at the amount of. You got 4 purple. I got 3 purple.
You guys, look at this. Oh my god. What's going on with the red? Give me the red. Intense.
Woo! Ah, if you make it, I do something crazy. Then you're not gonna make it.
You guys, I'm supposed to be moving a green. How is this possible for me to move a green? Let me show you guys. Let me just zoom this right now. I am supposed to be moving a green. That's not possible. The minute I move the green, it's done. Donezo. What did I do, honey?
That was cool. That was cool.
What was cool?
Damn, you know how this one all on top?
Which one?
Orange one.
Which one?
The orange and blue.
This one?
No, the 3 of them like this.
Oh. You really just want to see it crash right now, right?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what to do because I don't want it to crash on me.
You're cheating. You can't do that, baby. That's a cheat. That's a big cheat that you just did.
Yes! I got it!
You cheat like crazy cheat. You guys, you see what she did? She take one, she put it in the middle, and then she pushed one to the side and she took the side one. What the rules we say? You can't touch another one. She cheat, she lost.
You guys, you saw me do anything. I didn't. I did it the right way and I just worked a magic and got it.
So what should I do now with the green?
Now it's your turn to take
You want me
green.
to do exactly the same
It's
thing
your
that
turn
you have
to
done?
take green.
You did that. That's why you have.
Let's see if you're a genius
That's
like
a-
I was.
That's what you have done.
Let's see if you're a genius like I was.
That's what you have done.
Let's see if you're a genius like I was.
That's how you done.
Let's see if you're a genius like I was.
You lost first.
Baby, You're a loser. Come, let's do push-up. Come.
Hey guys, I don't know if different for everybody who watches in the past. Every time we do a challenge, you remember that's not the first time she cheated.
When did I cheat? You know it's challenge.
The cookie challenge.
Oh yes, I cheated in the cookie challenge. But the cookie challenge cheat wasn't my purpose. It's when I was editing. It's when I was editing and stuff.
Did you cheat when you make the ramen challenge too?
Oh hell no.
No.
Hell no. So you guys, I lost. And now you guys get to go ahead and buy this game and enjoy with your family. Hopefully you guys enjoy watching. Thanks for always coming back and keeping up with us, and we will catch you guys in our next video. Bye guys.
Bye guys.